In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter duplicate values in Excel. This is a simple workflow that helps you keep your data clean and easy to analyze. You will set up an example list, generate a unique list automatically, and then highlight any duplicate entries so you can spot repeats right away. First, you will type an item list label into cell A1 and a unique filter label into cell C1. Take a moment to look at the spreadsheet grid so you are placing the text in the correct cells. These headings are helpful because they make it clear which column is your original list and which column is your unique results. Next, you will fill cells A2 through A6 with the text strings apple, banana, apple, orange, and banana. As you type each value, try to keep the spelling and capitalization consistent, because Excel treats text with different characters as different values. Once those entries are in place, you should see duplicates in the list, since apple appears twice and banana appears twice. This gives us the perfect sample to test the filtering and duplicate highlighting. Now that the sample data is entered, you will prepare the automated filter column. Click on cell C2, so Excel knows where you want the unique list to appear. This step matters because the unique formula will output results starting from the cell you select. With cell C2 selected, type the formula exactly as follows: =unique A2 A6. Make sure you include the parentheses and the colon correctly. The range A2, A6 tells Excel to look at your item list entries, and the unique function returns only the distinct values, automatically removing duplicates. After you enter the formula, press the Enter key to confirm it. When you press Enter, Excel should extract your unique list without duplicates. You will typically see the unique values spill into the cells below C2, depending on your Excel version and settings. If the results populate down the column, that is normal. The important part is that duplicates like apple and banana appear only once in the unique list. After you confirm the unique output, you will switch to highlighting duplicates in the original data. Click any cell in your original data range A1 through A6. This tells Excel which region you want to apply formatting rules to. Choosing the correct range helps ensure that the highlighting appears only where the duplicate values actually are. Next, move to the Data tab. From there, click Filter and then click the column drop-down arrow. This filter control lets you interact with the column values more easily, especially when you are working with lists. You might notice drop-down options that correspond to the values in the selected column. Even if you are not changing anything yet, setting up the filter is a useful part of the process for reviewing your data. Once the filtering controls are visible, you will also use conditional formatting to visually flag duplicates. Go to the Home tab, then click Conditional Formatting. From the options, select Highlight Cells Rules and then choose Duplicate Values. This is the step that automatically finds duplicates in the range you selected earlier. When the Duplicate Values dialog appears, you will click OK to apply the highlighting rule. In the example you are using, the duplicate entries are highlighted in red. After you apply it, look at your original list in column A. You should see apple and banana marked as duplicates, while orange should not be highlighted because it appears only once. This gives you a quick visual check without manually scanning every row. And that covers everything you need to know. You set up an item list, generated a unique filtered output using the unique formula, and then highlighted duplicate rows using conditional formatting so you can spot repeats instantly.